My name is Minerva Simpson, and I am running against Judge Baker. It's just the two of us in this race, so August 26th, our race will be resolved, so don't think you can wait till November 4th and vote for one of us. We'll have to be on the 26th. There are 5 other races on the ballot, so this is just one of the races. But I've lived in this county for 26 years. I started as an engineer at the Space Center. I was also an engineer with the Army as a civilian. I was not in the military. So for those 9 years, that means I lived life as a layperson, as a non-lawyer, if you will. And I think that's important going onto the bench, having someone who has life experiences as a non-lawyer, particularly in county court. County judges do the smaller cases. They do the cases that are worth up to a year in jail or the cases that are worth up to $15,000. And particularly on the civil cases, there will be many people representing themselves. So I think it'd be nice to have someone on the bench who's kind of been there, done that, knows how these people are feeling coming into court. Because many people don't know what to expect and they're scared, etc. After I left NASA, I went to law school. I went to the University of Florida, so I'm a Gator. And after I came back from law school, I came right back to Brevard County. I worked for the Department of Children and Families for 2 years. Then I went on to do criminal defense work. I did that for 4.5 years. I've been in private practice for 8.5 years, and I do mostly civil work now. So about everything that I might run into in county court, I've also done as an attorney. That gives me the most appropriate and best experience to go into county court, because there again, especially in civil cases, you're going to have people representing themselves. So if you have your own experience and background and knowledge as a lawyer going into it, you can make the right rulings without having to rely on what arguments from attorneys have to say. And often I get asked, why do you want to be a judge? Well, I want to be a judge to make sure everyone is treated fairly across the board, without regard to who they are, without regard to who their attorney is, or without regard to whether or not they have an attorney. I've also served this county. I've been a guardian ad litem. I was a guardian ad litem for 4 or 5 years before I went to law school, and I picked it up again here in the last 4 or 5 years. And for those of you that don't know, guardian ad litems are people that look out for the best interests of the kids that have been abused, abandoned, or neglected. They're basically child advocates. And I do believe in the Constitution. I do believe in following the law, and I'm asked for your vote on August 26th. Thank you.